So everyone thinks and knows that iPads can be really frustrating and just really annoying because you don't really know how to use all of the apps on it and all of the ideas on it. And that was definitely a problem that I had. I have an iPad and I was always really frustrated because I didn't know how to use everything on it, and I saw all my friends using them, and just really understanding how to use it, and I didn't know how to use it very well. I knew a few things but not a lot. So I actually ended up purchasing the video lesson offer, and they have hundreds of videos, which was really great. And they really took you through step by step on how to use your iPad. I paused it many times just to go back and learn it. It only took like about 10 minutes to watch one of the videos, and I just did that every morning during breakfast. So this video lesson offer really did help me out a lot. I'm really thankful that I purchased it. Now I know how to use it better than all my friends. So I highly recommend purchasing this. It helped me. I know it will help you too.